I'm so happy I got a video film. Period. Hello peeps, it's your girl being Natasha Nicole, and welcome back to my channel where we're all about God glowing and growing. So if you want to glow and grow too, baby, then you know what to do. Hit the subscribe button down below, become part of this peep squad, baby. Come on. But anyway, today we are doing something totally different. I'm starting to get back into the whole makeup, hair kind of thing, because it's now starting to be fall, so I'm actually able to wear some makeup. Sometimes it was just so freaking hot, it was like impossible unless I was really going somewhere to do my makeup. But now that we're here at the fall time, it's about time to get into some, you know, some hair reviews and, you know, doing a little face. So I decided to start off or kick off, you know, the makeup tutorials being back. I decided just to start off by doing a simple, what I want to call like a put together mom slay. Because literally all I'm doing today is just running a few errands, and Carter has a doctor's appointment and stuff like that. So I just wanted to look put together, you know, and just look like, you know, she got her life together kind of thing, you know. So this was just like a simple easy makeup look. I didn't use any foundation, I didn't have any I didn't do any lashes, and I didn't do any eyeshadow. So this look today was all accomplished without using lashes, eyeshadow, or foundation. So that's why I say it's just an easy go-to kind of thing. If I wasn't recording, it would take me a lot less time, but realistically you could put this look together in probably about 15 minutes. Once you're really used to doing your makeup and everything, and once you know what products to use, it's super easy. So this is what I call just a simple mom slay. This is what we're gonna leave it at, because it's not doing too much, it's not giving it girl, it's just giving you look like you kind of got your life together, and that's all I just needed today. So if you want to see how I got this look, then just keep on watching. Right guys, so starting out is skincare. The first thing to having great makeup is to have great skincare. So I have self-diagnosed myself lately, and I think I have a little bit dry skin now that I'm in my 30s. So my makeup prep is a lot different. I am using, of course, a hyaluronic acid serum. I'm using moisturizer. Make sure you use a good eye cream. Just keep your face really nice and hydrated, and do not forget your SPF. This is the e.l.f. one, and I have been loving it lately. So now we're going to start with this hair. I'm just doing like a sock bun using these two ingredients, only a gel and a edge control. It has just been my go-to thing because it's been so hot. Baby, I can't wear no wig. I'm sorry. But this is one of the like sleek buns that I've been liking to wear. And it looks put together enough to look like you've done something but not really done anything. So y'all can just sit back and watch this. It's kind of self-explanatory. So yeah. So I had to slow it down right here and show y'all the sock bun. I literally just cut the toe off of a tube sock, and then you just kind of roll it down, and you're able to lay your hair on top of it. And it's super easy. We used to do these all the time back in the day, and I just decided to start doing it with my curly hair because sometimes I don't want the poof. I just want it to look nice and neat, but you got to be careful about bunning too much. Don't do it too much. And there you go. It's not perfect, but it looks cute. It's your hair. Super easy. So now let's get into the makeup though. And like I said, I feel like I have dry skin, so I'm using the Benefits moisturizing primer or hydrating primer. I've kind of been liking this. I used to always use Milk of Magnesia and my Baby Bliss primer or whatever, but yeah. And I'm just setting my face with a little bit of translucent powder, because even though I feel like I have dry skin, baby, listen, my oil still be wanting to peek through. And for my brows here, I'm just using the Maybelline, what is it called? It's like the tattoo brow, but I realized that it has like this odd looking thing at the end where you really can't put that on your brows like that. So I've been using a brush and filling them in, and they have been giving me great results. I love how light and airy my brow is. It's not a pomade, but it just looks very natural, and I like that. I'm now using my MAC concealer. I can't even think of the name of it, y'all. I have everything listed down below because I can't think of everything, dang. But I'm just blending that out. Pro Long Wear Concealer, and that is in NC45. I'm just putting that up under my eyes and kind of spreading it a little bit over my face. As you can see, I'm not trying to cover everything up. And then I kind of go in with my LA Girl Pro Concealer in the color Fawn and put that up under my eyes. And I kind of let that sit for a little bit just to give me really great coverage. And I am using the same concealer just in the color Cool Tan to outline your brows, because I feel like that's what really defines your brows and really gives this face an overall look. You have to have the brows, baby. Then you just want to take a brush and kind of blend that out. And I'm going to have a series coming up soon where I'm going to go in depth about all of this. I have so many people ask me questions about makeup. It's ridiculous. But just for time's sake, we had to speed this video up, baby, because we ain't got time to be talking about all that. So now I'm just blending out that fine concealer and making sure to keep it up under my eyes. I'm now going in with the color Pure Beige in the LA Girl Pro Concealer to highlight my face. And even though I didn't use foundation, my face looks very put together. Like, it looks good. So I'm unwrapping my hair so you make sure you get my 5 head, because your girl got a lot of forehead. And now I'm just using my Anastasia Beverly Hills stick in the color Walnut. Using that in Walnut. And I just use that to contour. Sometimes I like cream contour. Sometimes I like powder contour. Today I went with the cream. I'm now just going to use my Beauty Blender again and blend all of that highlighter color out. And don't be afraid to go back and forth between your brushes and your Beauty Blender. To get that seamless look, because if you don't like it before you set it, then it's not going to look good. So that's why I like to put it on top of my eyes and everything, because I like for everything to just look very seamless. And take your time blending out that highlighter. You don't want to drag it too far down. And I'm just using my favorite Bay Sasha Buttercup setting powder up under my eyes, just to set everywhere that I have put that lighter color to highlight. And now I'm using, I don't even know what the name of that bronzer is. It's something new that came in my Ipsy bag, but I'm just using that to go over where I contoured at. And that's just setting that cream. Because everywhere you put a cream, baby, you need to be setting that just so it can stay, you know? And now I'm using my matte skin finish just all over my face. And that's just setting everywhere else that the Sasha Buttercup powder and the bronzer didn't set. And here go Bay right here. If y'all don't know, my Milani XL bronzer. This is in number 1. It doesn't have names to it, but this just kind of gives my skin that flushness back. It just kind of gives me my color back, like just a little bit of redness. And I take that same bronzer and I'm also using that on my eyelids as well, because we're not doing an eyeshadow. This is my all-time favorite thing to do. It's just to grab a bronzer and it just makes your eyes look finished so they don't look so naked. And I'm using my Mario Badescu Rose Spray. As you can see, your girl is about out, so I need to go to Ulta, re-up, use my good old fan from the beauty supply store and let that dry. And I feel like that just kind of brings everything together and it makes your skin look back like skin. And I'm just using that same bronzer up under my eyes. And now I'm going in with a mascara just to finish that off. If you wanted to, you could add lashes. I just decided I wasn't. Now I'm just using my NARS Albatross to highlight. I really didn't want to use that, but I couldn't find my gold deposit. I think it was in my purse, but anyway. And your girl loves highlighter. And now I'm just going to move on to the lips, and I'm just lining my lips with my NYX Espresso using Praline and Creme Brulee butter glosses on top. And this is your finished look. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will see y'all in the next one.